So Fab Lab is a 501c3 nonprofit makerspace. In simpler terms, we do community outreach for STEM and technology education. So this project here is a binational humanoid robot project. It's sponsored by Microsoft Techspark, who is very generously trying to amplify collaboration and partnership across the border. We are building one of the twins of this humanoid robot project, and our sister Fab Lab in Juarez is going to be building an identical robot. These robots are going to be powered by AI, and hopefully they will be able to talk to each other.
So a humanoid robot, it's a robot that resembles the human shape. So it doesn't have to be exactly like a human, but as long as it has a head, eyes, arms, or things like that, it's considered a humanoid robot. We're planning to have the robot moving around, looking around, moving the neck, moving the eyes, jaw, speaking. It's gonna have a speaker in the inside, and potentially have a camera in one of the eyes so it does facial recognition. We're just programming routines so we know that the robot moves correctly and everything. But after that point, AI comes into play when we use facial recognition mostly. So with the camera, we're gonna use an AI software that detects faces and recognizes that person and remembers that person, and it moves all the motors, muscles towards that person, and that does it autonomously. So that would be now using AI. For this robot in specific, we use something called FDM. It's the most accessible 3D printing technology right now. And basically that one, you have a hot end that gets the plastic called as filament and just melts it and selectively deposits it layer upon layer till you have an actual shape.
We have been in downtown proper for about 3 to 4 years. I like that dynamicism of being in downtown and seeing that, we are in this like living, breathing organism called the city, and does feel very urban and very young and vibrant. We always knew that we wanted Fab Lab to be centrally located, to be equally accessible from East El Paso and West El Paso. So we didn't want to, be located kind of too far away from one part of the city or another. And downtown also gives us that opportunity to, to be really accessible and convenient to commuters who want to come visit our space.